On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What's up, boys? We're gonna go up to Goethe State Forest. I've never been up there. So I'm gonna take some stuff. Maybe we'll cook up some dogs when we get there. Plug my fridge in. I got my water. Let's do this. Cows getting fed. Huh, I just passed something that was for sale. It says 120,000. I gotta turn around and look. Let's see how much this actually is, huh? 358,000. Okay, well that's a little over my budget, boys. Unless I sold my place up north, but I don't wanna. Goethe State Forest. Well, I come all the way up here for nothing. They better have some side roads. Allowed to be in here, but there was no sign. Yeah, I don't think that's probably a good idea to try to do by myself here today. So we'll back up, and we're in the woods a little bit, so maybe we'll cook some hot dogs. I'm getting hungry. Fat man's gotta eat. Not the most beautiful place to eat, but we're in the woods. Oh yeah, it's a little muddy. I did put it in four-wheel drive. I don't have much cleat left, as you can see. 46,000 miles on these tires though. I have like that much left. Let's see what we're gonna have for lunch, boys. I don't even remember where I kept all my stuff. Yeah, I could have used this in my micro van, but I had a spot back there. I thought it would be pretty neat to have a real propane tank, you know. Now this was when my oldest son was in the Scouts. This is a real mess kit. Thicker aluminum. Much better. Been used a bunch. Let's see if we can get a little water boiling here. Rinse this out first. Been a while. It's clean now. Just need a little bit of water for the way I cook my dogs. This cooks a lot faster than propane. Believe that. Oh, what I hit. Gotta have my cheese for my cheese dogs. And which hot dog should we use? I got ballpark, so I guess I'll use those. Oh yeah, boiling already. Yeah, I could have probably built a little fire. I'm not sure if open fires are allowed here.
Now that's what I call high quality H2O.
I'm a cheap date. Well, looks like these are done. Toast my buns here. Toasted buns. Let the stove cool off. Freaking deer fly? I don't think so, deer fly. Gotta do the cheese dog. Being cheesy and all. Y'all know how that is. Alright. Let's see how these are. Good. Hope that ain't in one of my sandwiches. It's one of my good forks. I gotta fix that. Good enough. Wash my stuff. I lent my Dawn soap out last time we went camping and never replaced it. Go figure. I'll make sure to rewash these when I get home. This is the Ordro EP8 I'm still using. So it should see pretty good in the dark here, or the not so light area. These little burners work pretty good. Oh, I left that up north. My life straw, I got another one. So I do have a couple tripod chairs, but I usually don't sit down. Not unless I'm going to set camp up. Lunch break's over. Pack it up, back to work. Bring that up with me. That was good to hit the spot. If I leave the garbage back there, I'll forget it. Well, that was refreshing. I don't even see anybody walking.
Why do people leave their cars, man? Sucks for him. Gonna save yourself a couple $100.
I know. Tried a new place. My last night here. Drove by this. I never knew what the heck it was. I got a Mayan dish, and you got the double smash burger.
Yep.
Took about a half hour to get it out here, but hopefully it's good. How was yours?
Probably a 6.
Mine was a 6. The plate was a little smaller than she described, but it was okay. Tastes like they use processed cheese, like for the base cheese, almost like Cheez Whiz. Not great for 14 bucks. It's nice scenery and everything, but it took like a half hour to get our meal. I don't think we'll be coming back. You? No?
Me, no.
A few moments later.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.